You have debt. Your neighbor has debt. Your government has debt. Every country on earth has debt. So here is the question nobody seems to ask. If literally everyone owes money, then who on earth is actually receiving it? It sounds like a riddle. If person A owes person B, and person B owes person C, and person C owes person A, does anyone actually owe anything? The answer is yes. And the reason why reveals something most people never learn about how money actually works. Here is the key insight. Every single debt has two sides. When you borrow money, that debt is a burden to you, but it is an asset to whoever lent it. One person's liability is always another person's asset. Debt does not disappear into thin air. It sits in someone's pocket as wealth. When your government borrows money, it sells something called a bond. Basically, a promise to pay you back with interest. And who buys those bonds? Banks buy them, pension funds buy them, insurance companies buy them, foreign governments buy them, and ordinary citizens buy them too. Often without even knowing it through their retirement savings and investment accounts. Now some economists say, don't worry, we owe the debt to ourselves. And technically, a large portion of a country's debt is held by its own citizens. But this is where it gets dangerous. Because we are not all the same people. The ones who borrowed the money and spent it are not the same ones who will have to pay it back. That burden falls on future taxpayers, people who were not even born when the spending happened. Now zoom out. The entire world has roughly $100 trillion in national debt. If everyone owes everyone, does it all just cancel out? Not quite. Some countries are net creditors, meaning they lend more than they borrow. Japan, China, Gulf nations, they hold enormous amounts of foreign debt as assets. The United States alone owes about 1/3 of all the national debt in the world, and much of that is held by foreign governments and investors who expect to be paid back with interest. So who are we actually paying? We are paying banks. We are paying pension funds. We are paying foreign governments. We are paying wealthy investors. And in a strange twist, we are also paying our future selves and our children who will inherit this obligation whether they agree to it or not. Debt is not just a number. It is a transfer of power from borrowers to lenders, from the present to the future, from ordinary people to whoever holds the bonds. So the next time someone tells you the debt does not matter, because we owe it to ourselves, ask them one simple question. Which self exactly is doing the paying?